Okay, so I'm just going to make a quick video to go over page 15 from the Unit 1 packet, number 4D. This is still changing bases. It was the same problem with the hardware store. So the problem reads, in another hardware store, there are four single bolts, 3 groups of bolts, 5 sleeves of bolts, and 4 boxes of bolts. How many bolts are in the second store? So if you look back at the very top part where part 4 starts, it says groups of 6 singles means 6 bolts at a time. Sleeves of 6 groups. I'm sorry. Wow. Singles, guys, I was reading wrong because of the commas. It says bolts in a hardware store are in singles. 1. Groups of 6. There we go. Sleeves of 6 groups. That's 36 or 6 squared. And then boxes, which is 216 or from class 6 cubed. So this is basically asking us to convert. And remember that we put our highest power on the left-hand side. So the number would look like this. 4, 5, 3, 4. So 4,534 base 6 to base 10 for us to figure out how many actual bolts are in the store. So this is what our problem is actually asking us to do. Okay, so we're going to start with 4,534 base 6. And in order to break that down, we're going to break it up into the 4 separate pieces. So the first value we see is 4, but that was when that we had a power of 6 to the third. Then the second digit we see is a 5, and that matched when we had a power of 2. And I'm going to keep going down the line. The next is a 3, and that would be 6 to the 1. And the last one is a 4 times 6 to the 0. Let me just draw a line here so we don't get confused. Okay, so what we're going to do now is evaluate what we have here. 4 times 216 plus 5 times 36 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 1. Okay, and so I'm going to keep going. I'm using a calculator to find these numbers. But 4 times 216 was 864. 5 times 36 is 180. 3 times 6 is 18. And 4 times 1 is 4. And when we add those all together, we get 1,066 bolts. So this number that we just got is in base 10 because we went through and expanded all of our 6s. So the number we get in the end is base 10. Okay, I'm going to make a few more videos and go over a couple of the parts of what was going to be assigned for homework, and it will actually just make your job shorter in the end. So watch the next 2 videos. One they'll both be about part 1 of homework number 3. Good luck.